Vicky here with you, and I wanted to share with you something that I'm trying to make. This is the first one, the prototype, and it's a dangle made with shank buttons. And what's fun with this is that those buttons, I use them when they're big like this. I use them as closures for journals, but the smaller one, I really don't know what to do with them. And I saw Jessica Rapp have a beautiful dangle, like a huge dangle on the as a charm for her journal, and I thought those could be fun for making paper clips, altered paper clips. So it would go something like this in my bunny journal, as you can see. So it's kind of a fun thing to have, you know, on the side of your book, kind of interactive. So I thought I was going to share with you how I make one, because I don't want to have too many on the one book. So basically I took some chain and I pulled out a piece that I wanted, because you need to hang those dangles on something, and then it's just a question of deciding what color and what you want to put on there. So, and I don't want to use buttons that are too big, because I don't think it looks so pretty. So let's and that's one thing I didn't do last time. I didn't pick my buttons ahead of time, and I should have, because it makes it a whole lot easier, I think, if you do. Don't want too many colors for this, so maybe a white there again, and then so I went through all my buttons and just pulled out a bunch of different ones, and I just thought, you know, let's have fun with this. Okay, so I found, like, I really love the tool that I got from Stephanie at Above Par Craft. This being said, there's I find that to close off the loops, it's not as easy. So especially when you're, like, when you put a button like this, it makes it harder. So I'm gonna just start off my chain by doing this and putting this little one at the bottom. And I also found that if I double them up, it makes them, you know, hang more like on the side. So I will share with you, show you how I do it. So now I'm doing it like a mixture of using this wonderful little tool and using my pliers, because like I said, to put it back, it's not necessarily easy. So then I put my button, and I put 2 buttons on there, because it kind of helps them to stay lifted. I don't know how to explain it better. Like, they will not be hanging. And that's the part that is a bit tricky, and that's the part why it didn't work with the other tool. So put this back, and then put this. And the first time around I had put it already on the paper clip, and I decided that I might not want to do this time, and we'll see how much better it is or not. So see, like, they kind of showcase each other more, because otherwise they'd be all like upside down basically. So then let's do another one, because I want to do all of these little buttons, not this one, but these. So put that here, and I'm hoping that you can see it's kind of difficult to do this, and it's kind of difficult to get this to come out the proper way. It's a bit finicky, but I liked the result. So, and like I said, it's a bit finicky because you need to make sure that your chain goes in it. And it happened once that I closed off the thing, and actually my chain was not even in, so it wasn't hanging, it just fell. So see, got the starting of a cluster. So when you put the bigger ones, it's easier to put more buttons on it, or you put smaller buttons. When they're bigger buttons, it's kind of harder. I want to put this little green one. They won't fit on your jump ring. So I'll put this here and then close it off. And I'm really loving this little cluster. I think this one is turning out quite cute. Okay, and then what about this one? I'm thinking I'm going to end with this one and maybe this one. So I'm trying to make all the stuff that's going to embellish my little journal and get it finished. I'll put this here and close that off. And then it's relatively easy because the paper clip, you can kind of slide in the chain if you can find the top of the chain. Where's my top of the chain? I lost it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so then you just need to slide that in the paper clip, and that is it. So I think I like this one even more. So that's my idea for you guys, and I'm hoping that you like this idea. I think it's a great way of using all those buttons, those vintage buttons, and there's just something tactile about doing this. So yeah, not a new idea, but my little twist on it. I tried to search a tutorial about making these with and I wasn't able to find one, but I'm sure that there's some. It's just my research was probably wrong, not done properly. But anyway, so figured I would share this with you. Hope you like it. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments down below, and looking forward to knowing what you think about these. Bye!